Hello mga kaguro, this is Sir Jory, your partner and guide in troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-convert ng inyong Microsoft Word file into PowerPoint presentation using Google Gemini AI. All you have to do mga kaguro is to connect your laptop or PC to the internet and sundan nyo lang po yung video. And now, I'll be using Google Chrome as my browser and then type nyo lang po dito Google Gemini AI. Alright, so ito po siya. Click that one. And if you can see right here mga kaguro, merong plus sign dito sa search box. Just hit that one and upload your Microsoft Word file. Okay, so sundan nyo lang po mga kaguro. Hanapin ko muna yung file na i-upload ko dito. And once you are done, all you have to do is to click that one and hit open. And this time, just type lang mga kaguro dito sa search box this way. Sundan nyo lang po. Alright mga kaguro, if you can check right here, I just typed, please make me a detailed PowerPoint presentation about this Microsoft Word file. Include all the pages in the slides, because if you're not going to include all the pages in the slides, there are times na the AI will going to shortcut or summarize your Microsoft Word file. So dito, gusto ko po i-include lahat ng mga details or data coming from my Microsoft Word file to PowerPoint presentation. All you have to do and you have to wait mga kaguro. The speed depends on your internet connection. At the same time, on the size of your Microsoft Word document. All right, now it's still finalizing content details. So imagine mga kaguro kung paano ito nakakatulong sa atin bilang isang teacher or bilang isang student if you're a student. Because at the same time, I am also a PhD student and I am also using this one because there are reports that we need to submit and we have also presentations that we need to discuss to our fellow classmates during reporting sessions. So napakadali or napaka-efficient po ng gawain if we have this kind of application. It really helps us minimize our effort and time in completing a PowerPoint presentation. All right, mga kaguro. So if you're going to check our Microsoft Word file, only have 19 pages. And then this one is already 20 because this includes the cover page, mga kaguro. So the good thing about this one, it's because the details coming from your Microsoft Word file is presented in a very systematic way and very clear po. The AI already grouped the details or information coming from our Word file accordingly. So when we're going to present this one, hindi na po tayo mahihirapan. All right, so if you're going to check here, there are box that needs to have a picture, so you don't have to worry about it because you can add pictures on it. Okay, so paano natin lalagyan ng picture? So first we have to export it to slides, to Google Slides. So it's now creating slides right here. Just click lang po yung export to slides. And then if you can check right here at the bottom left corner, it shows here creating slides. Just wait lang po until it's done and hit to open your Google slide. All right, so it's here already. Just click open slides. So in this part, what we're going to do is to add picture on the box where it doesn't have picture on it. Okay, it shows right here the title comparative analysis. That means we need to add picture right here about analysis. So click insert and then image. Then if you have already image with you in your computer, then click that one. If you wanted to search in the web, then click stock and web. All right, so search right here, analysis, comparative analysis, relevant to your slide. So just find a message right here that shows up analysis. Okay, something like an image that has a magnifying lens or something like that. So I believe this image is good, so I'm going to add that one. And then in this part, okay, critical decision making. And if you're done, just hit the file and then click download and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. So after you have clicked that one, just wait until it's done lang mga kaguro. It's still, I believe, downloading. So I'm going to save this one in my desktop. Hit desktop and then click save. And check your desktop if the file is here. So I believe it's here already. So let's check mga kaguro. All right, so it's here and just click enable editing if you wanted to edit something. If you wanted to improve the presentation, the text can be edited and everything. If you think that it's good already, then click save and you're ready to present the PowerPoint presentation coming from your Microsoft Word file. So napakadali makaguro. Napaka-helpful po siya sa atin. Ang PowerPoint presentation na 19 slides will take at least 20 to 30 minutes for us to finish if we do it manually. But if you have your internet connection with you and following this video using Google Gemini AI, napapadali po yung paggawa natin ng PowerPoint presentation. All right? If you find this video helpful, please click subscribe and share this one to your co-teachers or to your friend. All right, again, this is Sir Jory. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.